If you are just getting started with Google My Business and you just created a Google My Business page, or if you already verified your business, there's nothing really fancy or complicated that you need to do in order to get your page set up properly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill the most important information on your page so that you have the basic setup complete and that your business information is actually on your page and it's added properly and people can actually start finding you. So we have this business information section here, which has 5 subsections: about, contact, location, hours, and more. So these are the fields. Some of them are really simple. Just fill in your business name, your phone number, your opening date. Now, the most important field here is the description field. But before I get into it, the business category field also needs to be added in properly. And sometimes you will feel like there are no perfect categories for what you do, and this is fine. Just add some categories that you feel like match your business setup and services the most. Talking about the description field, as I said, this is the most important field on your Google My Business page, and you need to make sure that you fill it in properly. So your Google My Business page, the purpose of your page is to actually help your potential clients find you, and they find you by what you have in this section as part of your overall SEO strategy for your Google My Business page. So what you have here will actually help you get more business. So make sure you do it right. Now, in the description, we do want to have your most important keywords in here, and it also needs to read naturally. So for example, if you are a relationship coach in Los Angeles, people who search for you would type in on Google something like relationship coach in Los Angeles. And this is the search term, the keyword that you do want to have in this description field, exactly like that. So you could say something like, I am a relationship coach in Los Angeles, or if you are looking for a relationship coach in Los Angeles, or being a well-known relationship coach in Los Angeles, I blah, blah, blah. So this is where you need to be really careful with the keywords. And at the same time, you can't stuff this field with keywords. You can have 1, 2, maximum 3 keywords in here. You should not have many more because this would be considered keyword stuffing. And we don't want that because this would normally hurt your business more than it would help your business. If you need any help setting this up, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will be happy to help. I will cover the other sections, the most important aspects of the other sections in a separate video. For right now, make sure you have a good description and all of these fields properly filled. If you need help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will also be happy to help you get more business through your profile by helping more of your potential clients to actually find you on Google. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.